Alright, hello guys, welcome back to this channel. I want to show you how to go about this particular error. So some of you have gotten query that you have exceeded 28 days, right? Let me show you what I'm trying to say in the query. So you've gotten a query that is telling you that the commencement date of your business, for this particular example we have, the commencement date of the business has exceeded June 5th, 2024, which has been exceeded over 28 days from filing date, which is 5th July 2024. So the person is supposed to pay 150 per day of the default, which is 2 days. So since you have not been able to make now, this error is caused when, for instance, you got a query on a particular business name registration you are doing, and you didn't attend to that query for the next 28 days. Now, after I solve this particular query, I'm going to show you how you can avoid this query, and you can even go ahead and register a business for the next 3 months, 1 year, and you will not get to pay any of this amount, right? So I'm going to be showing you that secret if you hold on through to the end of this particular video, because there are sometimes that it warrants, especially when a registration requires particular documentation and you don't have that document, and you have to actually go and apply for that document, and that document, if it takes more time, then you find yourself in this particular situation. So I'm going to be showing you how you avoid paying this particular amount after this video. But first, if you are in this issue, if you have this particular issue, I'm going to walk you through how you solve this particular issue, right? So you have seen that CAC is telling us that we are going to pay 150 naira per day for default days. That is, the person is paying for 2 days. This is according to this 815 of the Karma 2020 bill. And you notice that after you made the payment, you are going to need to upload the receipt of the payment that was made. So without any further ado, let me just quickly show you. So all you need to do is go to remita.net. Remita.net. That is the website you'll be going to, and this is one of the major websites that receives payment from sales. You notice that if you make your name reservation, you're paying through Remita. If you make your approval registration, all payment through to the CAC goes through Remita. So that's why we're using the Remita platform. So all you need to do, come to Remita. Once you come to Remita, you don't need to sign up or create an account with Remita. If you don't have a Remita account, why not? You can sign up and then have an account so that you can be using to make your payment, right? So let's allow it to load up very well. All right, so now the page, okay, these are the options we need. So you can see buy airtime, pay electrical bill, cable. No, this is not what we want. We want to pay bills and purchase. This is what we want to click on. This option, bills and purchases, right? This is what you are clicking on. Click on bills and purchases. So you see that it brings up a pop-up. Now you see all this pop-up. It shows pay MTN bill, pay biller, pay RR invoice, micro pension. You are paying a biller. That's what you want to click on. You saw what I clicked on. So you have to follow this process meticulously so that you will not get stranded at the end of the day. So it's very simple. You are trying to make a purchase and you click on pay a biller. So it will now bring up options or whereby you'll be able to fill and then make payment to the Corporate Affairs Commission directly. I'll show you what you are going to do in this process very quickly. So this is what you should be getting. This is what you should be getting at the end of the day, right? So this is what you should be getting. All we need to do now is that, so who are we paying to? Who do you want to pay? We want to pay to corporate. Just type CO, that's corporate. Corporate is corporate, or let's say CAC. Okay, it's not bringing up. So let's say corporate. Click. Get the spelling right. Make sure you get the spelling right. Corporate. Yes, Affairs Commission. You see, I'm making the payment to Corporate Affairs Commission. So that's the spelling I'm going to be using. Corporate Affairs Commission. Okay, so okay, we didn't tap. So you make sure you click on Corporate Affairs Commission and it brings up CAC, that is Corporate Affairs Commission here. If it doesn't bring up CAC there, then that means you are not making payment to CAC directly, right? So you make sure it brings up Corporate Affairs Commission here, right? So now after you are done, now the kind of payment you want to make, you go through this payment. So you can see that the other payments you can make payment for change of director, sales of forms, post incorporation, customer, company annual return, and all those other kinds of payment, right? So but you will notice that if you go through all this, you would not see that exact payment. So all you need to do is search for miscellaneous. So you'll be taking the payment as a miscellaneous payment, right? So now you come down here and then specify the description of this payment, right? So you have to be specific on the kind of you have to use the right words, right? You have to use the right set of words. So let me quickly show you the way you're going to describe. You're going to say payment. So let's go back to the query that we had the other time. The query is telling us that commencement date of business has exceeded. So we are making payment for complete payment for delay 2 days, for 2 days delay in commencement day of registration, right? Okay, sorry, commencement of 2 days delay in commencement day of registration. Okay, so that's what you need to type there. So you can add the name of the business. So you can leave this as Abuja headquarters. You are paying to Abuja headquarters. So name of the principal. So this name will be the name of the business, right? So here now we can state the name of the business, state the name of the person on the business. So let's say the name of the person is Babatunde Boluwatife for a company. So where are we now? Okay, so here now we just come, name of the principal will be the name of the business. This name of principal will be the name of the business. So if the name is, the name of the business is Bob Babalola Company Enterprise, for instance, right? So this is the name of the business that will be here, name of principal. So here, this is where your own name will be, Mr. Kehinde Babalola, for instance. I believe you understand what I'm trying to say, right? So once you do that, so the amount you are paying, you now go back to the message that CAC sent to you. Here they say you're going to pay 150, right? So you come here and type 150 naira. That's the amount you are paying, right? So you type 150 naira. That's the amount you are paying in naira. So you add your phone number for major reason. So I hope that number is complete. So and then the email address at gmail.com, right? And then once you make sure you fill the detail, look at it now. Corporate Affairs Commission is the first option, miscellaneous is the second option. Now you state payment for 2 days delay in commencement day of registration, right? So once you do that, then you scroll down and make sure leave this at Abuja and write the name of the business here. The name of the business is important to be here. Then put the cost, the amount you are paying here, your own name, your phone number, and then the email, and then make sure all these details are properly filled on the account, and click on this I'm not a robot. Once you confirm you are not a robot, let me confirm that I'm not a robot, I am a human being. So instead I should click on motorcycle. Let's click on skip. Next, let's allow it to do. I think the network is a bit bad here, so that's why it's taking a bit time. So once you confirm you are not a robot, then because of my time, let me just click on submit, and then you go ahead. I believe I don't need to show you how to make payment again. You know how to make the payment, right? So the next thing you need to do after you are done with that, and you have made payment for this particular amount of money, you make payment, you download your receipt. There will be a Remita receipt that will be generated. Now, once you generate the Remita receipt to be sent to your email, the receipt is now what you will download and go and upload. Now, don't forget that when you get a query, when you go to the query, let me show you what I'm trying to say. When you go to get a query and you go to the query, you're going to see a page that looks like you're going to see the third page on your registration. So let's pick a particular business here that is currently queried. So when you go to a business name that is being queried, so look at this business name now that is being queried. Here's a business that has been queried. So when you come to a business name that has been queried, once you scroll through, you go to the part where you are going to be downloading document, right? Document that will be uploading document. You will notice that there is the fourth portion, which is others. So that's where you'll be uploading the Remita receipt. This fourth place, document upload. Right? When you go to document upload, you will see all the documents that you will see that this place is always vacant. So you just come to this portion and upload the receipt of the payment. Once you upload the receipt, you click on save and continue. and go and mark the query as resolved. You go and mark the query as you come to the query and mark the query as resolved. Then it means that you have successfully resolved this particular query. I believe you understand what I'm trying to say, right? You have successfully resolved this particular query. Now, the question now is that when you do that, you resolve the query and you mark as resolved query, you notice that immediately the registration will be verified or will be registered after you are done, right, without any issue. Now the question now is, like I promised you, how do you even though you register for the next 3 months, how do you make sure this error doesn't occur at any point in time? So the point is very simple. It means that, for instance, so if I'm registering a business and CAC requests for a particular document that will take me the next 2-3 months to get that document, right? All I need to do is simple. Every week I go to the registration, I check the registration. Even though I don't have the right document, I can upload something that is any other document or any other PDF file. I upload it. Once I upload the document, I will resolve the query and then leave it that way. So you notice that CAC will now tell you refer to the last query, right? So you go back to that particular query. You now wait for the next, like you can wait for like 15 days again after it has been queried for 15 days to 20 days or so. Don't make sure it doesn't reach 28 days. So when you get to 26, 27 days, go to the query again, upload something else, and mark as resolved. So you keep doing this consistently. You notice that you will not be able to you will not be caught by that particular 28 days issue, right? So you'll be able to resolve your issues easily. So your registration will be able to go through without any issue or any error of you making payment of any 150 naira per day for every for your registration. So I believe this secret is going to work for you, right? So make sure you resolve your queries before 28 days. Make payment before 28 days. Make mark as resolved before 28 days, and you will not have to pay CAC a dime. I just had to make this video very urgent because somebody has been disturbing me to make this video. So here's the video. So I hope this video is going to be helpful to any other person, right? So watch this video from the beginning to the end, and make sure to subscribe to this channel, and give this video a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much, and God bless you. I'm Akinbola Ezekiel. I'll drop my contact on the link below, and I want you to chat me off if you need any of my services. Thank you.